What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I've got two sleeping bags, and I've got two of them for a specific reason, because I want to invite you to come and be big spoon to me. I'm just kidding. As you can see here, they come in a stuff sack, and I've got the tops that adjust here all the way around, so you can really cinch these suckers down. That's going to make them as compact as humanly possible. And then up at the top here, we just move those straps out of the way. Cinch sack opens up like this, and we can pull out the sleeping bag. All right, so there she is. Look at this. Not only am I pulling out the sleeping bag, but I just saw that this fell out. It's a sleep mask. Yeah, baby. As you can see, man, this thing is nice and thin. This looks great. I really love this neon green at the top. I love flashy colors on outdoor gear. And then it's all nylon down here, and it's gray. This whole top part is hooded, so you can be able to pull that up around your face. And we do have a cinch strap here, so you can close that down and get a nice tight mummified fit. Then on this side, you have a zipper that goes all the way down. It stops about 2/3 of the way down on this side. And then on the opposite side, you have another zipper that goes down and stops about 2/3 of the way down. So, if I were to just open this up here, what you can see is you have the whole sleeping bag open. All right. Now I could enjoy my summer camping trip sleeping in this sleeping bag. One thing I will say is that because it's rated for warmer weather, it's pretty thin, so you are going to want like a sleeping mat under it, unless you've got natural sleeping mat fibers, sod or leaves or tree boughs, what have you, but obviously it works fine for the individual. Now, let's check it out with a companion. The cool feature about these two Mummy sleeping bags is that you can zip them together. Now, I want to show you how to do it because it's maybe not as straightforward as I thought it was. It's actually pretty easy, but you got to know what you're doing. So this is the bottom. If I'm holding up the sleeping bag like this, you can see that this is the bottom of where the zipper attaches. And there's actually two zippers right there. And so what you want to do, and you can see they have the metal ends right there. They are kind of sliders as opposed to stops. So you're going to move the zippers all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to keep pushing them off. You're going to get those little zippers to slide over the tracks. And now you've got two separated halves, right? And you're going to do the same thing on the other one with the side that connects to it. So on this sleeping bag, I've unzipped this side, and so on this sleeping bag, I've unzipped the right side of here, so I'm going to unzip the left side on this one. And again, the same thing here on the bottom. I'm going to just keep pushing these all the way down. It might seem like you're almost breaking it, but you're not. You're just continuing to go all the way down until you get it to come off the little tracks like that. Now, what you have are two sides to the sleeping bags that now can be zipped together. It's probably easier to start with the one on the bottom. Just slide the zipper track in there and zip that up. One on the top together and zip that up. You have a two-person sleeping bag. It's like taking a full-size bed with you on a camp out, so you can be nice and snuggly and have two people inside of here that are sharing body heat. That is pretty awesome. And in fact, if it gets really cool, sharing that body heat is more efficient than just trying to heat yourself. So pretty awesome. These sleeping bags are not only pretty nice and kind of fit a whole range of spring, summer, fall temperatures, in my opinion. They're nice and compact, come with sleeping masks as well as the stuff sacks, but the fact that they zip together like this is also an awesome feature. And you don't have to order a left or a right specifically. They are fully ambidextrous, so you can just order as many of these as you want. Theoretically, zip a bunch together. And the great thing about these is that they're not expensive at all. So I found this on Amazon, and they are very affordable. I'll put a link to them in the description if you want to pick it up, especially if you've got someone that you want to go camping with. Peter Von Panda, out!